Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my new beauty favorites. Like these are not new product, but I want to share. Some of them are new and some of them are really old in my collection and I can't live without them. They have totally changed my skin or hair. So it's more so about the self-care section, not nothing is related to makeup. So yeah, today I'm going to discuss some of my favorite beauty products. So without further ado, let's start it. First product which has literally changed my hair. You can see like मेरे hair कितने जल्दी जल्दी आजकल grow हो रहे हैं, and that is because of this serum. This is HK Vitals Head Fall Growth Serum. So it has the ingredients I will mention. This one is really a game changer for me. It's working really well for me, and it has really help in hair growth. I can see the difference. Like मेरी hair length कभी इतनी होती नहीं है, but I can see a visible difference. And yeah, I just love it. I will highly recommend you this. You can go for this one. I just love it, and something about this, like the ingredients I know are very good, but जितना fast result मुझे मिला है, the one thing I will tell you, maybe I will make a separate video about my hair care journey. You guys know मेरे बाल कितने ज़्यादा dry frizzy और बहुत ही unmanageable थे, but now it has changed. So I will make a dedicated video about that also. But yeah, I just quickly want to show some favorites and talk about them. And another hair product that I love is this Streaks Moisture Boost Spray for स्प्रे फॉर हेयर. ये मैंने आज भी यूज़ किया है. जब भी मुझे लगता है कि फ्रिजी हेयर्स हो रहे हैं या ड्राई हेयर्स हो रहे हैं तो मैं इसे ज़रूर यूज़ करती हूँ. आज मुझे इसकी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं थी, बट लिटिल बिट आई यूज आउट ऑफ हैबिट. मैं इसको बहुत ज़्यादा रिलीजियसली यूज़ करती थी. एक बॉटल मैं यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. दूसरी आई डोंट नो, कैमरा इज कैप्चरिंग इज लाइक यू कैन से 10% लेफ्ट. आई जस्ट लव दिस हेयर स्प्रे. This just provides moisture. I can feel that इससे बहुत ज़्यादा बाल एकदम, अगर फ्रिजी ड्राई हेयर्स है ना तो you will love it. And you can see maybe some previous videos of mine, or I will try to insert. The before and after is very visible with these products. So next product is this one. I think this is quickly becoming my holy grail. I think मैं इसे repurchase भी करूँगी. Is the गुलाबी rose oil tea tree face mist. I just love it. ये पूरा खाली हो चुका है. थोड़ा बहुत if I can take 1 or 2 use out of it तो, but yeah, I just love this. ये बहुत ही अच्छा था. And I'm using this for so many months now, and like maybe 8 months, 9 months. It was a giant component. It took me a lot. Like कभी कभी मैं स्किन केयर स्किप भी करती हूँ. I will definitely make a separate video about the how my skin has improved, but this also is a mongbbaby.com product. So yeah, but as I said, I'm skipping skincare someday, so I will make a separate video about it. So another product I want to discuss with you is this. Now this is my 10th tub, or I don't know, I have lost the count of it. Like मैं ये खुद भी लेती हूँ, मेरे भाई को भी गिफ्ट कर देती हूँ. Yeah, so this, like, I gift it to my brother also. Like हम दोनों इसे use करते हैं. This is good if you have acne prone skin. This will work for you. But again, sometime it you know कभी कभी ना कुछ भी वर्क नहीं करता है. Then my last resolution is to not do anything, and that also have really changed my skincare game. But I'm using this religiously for some reason, is for the textured skin issue. बहुत इससे resolve होता है. I do feel a difference and can't stop repurchasing this. Okay, another product. Now this one has literally shook me. The brand Sunny Herbals. Like I don't even know about this brand before working with them. Like मुझे नहीं पता था honestly. But this is so good. Like look at that. I hope the camera will capture that it is almost empty. Maybe 10% product is left. Now I am using so many products on my body as well these days, but this one is a game changer. This body cream is so hydrating is if you have dry skin, but at the same time it's not chip not at all greasy at all. What I want to say is that's the best part about it. I love the fact that it's very non-greasy also. So I will highly recommend you this one. And this brand is definitely very underrated. Okay, so now I want to discuss like the thing which the product that I have incorporated in my skincare lately is this. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the product which I use monthly basis. This is such a game changer. This is Ozone Luminous Gold Kit, reflecting intense inner radiance for all skin type. This is so life changing. Like मुझे मैंने लाइफ में एक बार फेशियल कराया था, विच वॉज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव टू बी ऑनेस्ट, एंड आई वॉज शुक बाय द प्राइजेस कि सलोन में इतना चार्ज करते हैं फॉर फेशियल्स. सो आई वॉज लाइक I don't know, but this one is such an affordable way to do facial. If you can do it by yourself, yeah, this takes 30 minutes. मुझे तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही time लगा था because I massaged really well, and this is such a life changer. My skin was radiating. It was looking so good, or I just fell in love with it. I'm going to definitely do it every month. Like, this is such a life changer, and it is so affordable. You will not believe it, you guys. This is for 250 rupees. I mean, how? Like, this stuff is very good. It's very effective. You can take before picture and after picture of yourself. You will thank me later. Like, this is so life changing. I was shook by the quality of this one. Like, this product is very good. I'm going to also insert me using this product, but let me talk about the thing which was really, really like 2 3 points I want to talk about. It is like this massage cream. Oh my god, it was really good. If you want to get that parlor like, facial, you will love that cream. Then the scrub was really mild and gentle, but it exfoliate, and you don't have to do it for a lot. Like, you have to just do it for 30 seconds. The step-by-step instruction is also given here. And the cleanser was also very good. You have to keep it and then massage it and rinse your face. So this was like, I saw such a huge difference in my textured skin. Also, the acne scars here. I have pigmentation that was also like very reduced. The glow was there on my face, and it was looking so smooth yesterday. Like, it was looking amazing. For 250 rupees, you can't beat this price. And the parlors, like, expensive facial, I don't think so. I'm going back to it. I'm going to religiously use this every month, or you can use it in 15 days also. And it's so, as we all know, the festive season is there. Like, अभी भी festivals चल रहे हैं. So this festival season, I am like constantly, applying it in 15 days and giving myself this. And it was very therapeutic also. Like, I felt like, I'm doing the proper self care, and I was relaxed and calm. And facials definitely are worth it. Definitely are worth it. The only self care which I think is definitely worth it. So if you want to get that festive look, you will really love it. So I will link this facial kit so you can check that out. I will highly recommend you to try this one. So the next product is this Arch Rhythm 10% niacinamide ceramide complex hyaluronic acid serum. Oh my god, it's magic. Like, it's magic. If you want that glass skin, you will get it. It's amazing for that. And I just can't describe you how much of a difference it makes. Just this product, like, you can wash your face and apply this. You are done if you have normal skin. So now my skin is more so on the normal acne prone side. Love it, love it. The glow it gives, it's worth it. Like, I just love, if I'm going out and about, just wash my face and apply this, and oh my god. I think this serum is more than enough for, like, as a serum, as a moisturizer, everything it gives. Just one product. Or matlab, I'm using it religiously, but I can feel that let me see if I can. Yeah, a lot of product is there. Like, तो पूरा पैसा वसूल है ये. मैंने कौन सी पिंक फ्राइडे सेल को लिया था, अभी तक I'm using it, and the glow is amazing. Like, amazing glow. I don't know how much I can show you on camera. Maybe if I show you sunlight shots, the difference is there. So आज तो इतनी गर्मी है कि I have set my entire face because बहुत गर्मी है बहुत ज़्यादा. But otherwise, I would be able to show you. But I will try to insert some sunlight shots. So the last favorite I want to discuss. This is such an underrated product. Like, I don't know, nobody talks about this, but they should. And if you have not checked out like my favorites, you know, haul or something, I have shared these favorites. 100 rupees, 100 bucks, whatever you want to say. It is such a good. First of all, look at the component. The component looks good, you guys. I know it looks decent. 400-500 का perfume, at least to me, and it was so affordable. और ये मैं रोज use कर रही हूँ. It has a fresh powdery sort of fragrance, and I am like so impressed by it. It's very long lasting. Like, मैं ये जिम लगा के जाती हूँ और ये पूरे टाइम लास्ट करता है. So this is so good for an everyday perfume. If you are a gym goer, you will really love it. Like, it has such a fresh, the fragrance. It just like ऐसा लगता है कि gives me that you know vibe कि let's hit gym. I don't know if I'm describing it nicely or not, but this product is really good. And it was for 100 rupees. And this brand is Formless. I don't know. Woman apparel perfume. I don't know. You guys just go to Meesho and search for affordable perfume, or if you want, I can link it. It was from Meesho and maybe the best Meesho find. It for this video. I want to make more such videos, but like I don't know मुझे क्या हो रहा है. Like I'm more focused on Moj lately because I recently hit 42K and my entire focus is there for some reason. I don't know, and I'm achieving milestones there, so मेरा focus पूरा वहाँ shift होता जा रहा है. So you can follow me there. And I'm trying to be consistent on Instagram, YouTube. Yeah, sometime I'm consistent, but sometime I'm not. The last video I put so much effort into it, nobody watches it, and I was so disappointed. Even the thumbnail took me half day, like, and I was really discouraged. But yeah, that's that's it for long videos. I need your support. If you will watch long videos, then only I will make long videos. नहीं तो मतलब ही क्या है? I used to constantly make videos, and now I'm just MIA for months because of the same reason. Views नहीं आते तो encouragement नहीं मिलता है. So show me some love, you guys. If you like the video, do like, share, subscribe, and watch long form videos if you want me to make one. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it, and do check out all the products I will try to link, and the facial kit. Maybe the star of this video is the facial kit. I was so impressed. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.